Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Let's stir-fry Chinese sausage cauliflower. This recipe can be cooked during CNY too. Hope you like it. Chinese sausage is a must-have during the Chinese New Year, so this dish can come in handy. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: Chinese sausage, cauliflower, ginger. Soak Chinese sausage in hot water to ease of removing casing. Cut a knife in the middle of the sausage and tear off the outer skin, slice it and set aside. Cut cauliflower into florets, wash and set aside. Stir-fry Chinese sausage until release flavor. Not need to add cooking oil as the Chinese sausage already has enough fat. Add ginger slices and stir-fry. Once ginger has released fragrance, add cauliflower and stir-fry. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce. Add water if to dry. Plate cauliflower. Place Chinese sausage in the middle and cauliflower surround it. Delicious stir-fry Chinese sausage cauliflower is ready to be served. It will look beautiful when it is presented well. Just cook it like this for your family during the new year. It will look very appetizing. This recipe tastes great with Chinese sausage flavor and fragrant. It's delicious. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Cauliflower is a common food in our daily life and can be found everywhere. But do you know that cauliflower also has another meaning? That is, flowers blooming and wealth. Cauliflower is actually like a bunch of lush flowers, so it has this meaning. Although eating cauliflower will not bring wealth, it will bring health to our body. It's high in vitamin C and K, and is also a good source of folate, which supports cell growth and is essential during pregnancy. Cauliflower is fat-free and cholesterol-free, and it's low in sodium. A 1-cup serving contains only 25 calories, 5 grams of carbohydrates and 2 grams of dietary fiber. Cauliflower is rich in sulforaphane, a plant compound with many beneficial effects, such as reduced risk of cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Is it okay to eat cauliflower every day? Yes. You can eat cauliflower every day as part of a balanced diet. Cauliflower is low in calories, high in fiber, and rich in vitamins and minerals, making it a nutritious choice. It contains antioxidants and may have health benefits, including supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. What organ is cauliflower good for? Because of its prebiotic fiber content, cauliflower helps feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Having a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for your overall well-being, not to mention reducing your colon cancer risk, Andrews says. Fiber also promotes healthy digestion and helps you have regular bowel movements. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.